Hi guys, my name is Maria and this is my first YouTube video. Can you imagine it? I can't. So this is my first YouTube video and today I'm gonna show you the 7 tips for learning English. And the first tips is a little bit obvious, but it is watching TV shows and movies. It can be whatever you want, whatever genre, whatever you want to watch, what you used to watch in your mother tongue, you can repeat it, rewatch it in English. Will be so useful for you because you know the plot, the idea of this TV show or movie, and it will be easier for you to understand. But some kind of stuff, it can be difficult because you just know English just a little bit, so you have maybe A1 or A2 level and you just started to watch the Peaky Blinders or the Game of Thrones. It's not a case. So this is my tips for some kind of TV shows that you can watch to your level. Also, by watching something, I will recommend you to discover new words, new phrases, new idioms, because if you just watch it, so you just wasted your time for 40 minutes of some kind of episode or some kind of TV shows and you didn't understand anything, it is some kind of weird. So the new words and new phrases, you just can write them down and then repeat them and try to say them in your regular speech. The second tip is reading books, but you need to do it louder. You just need to believe me. If you tried to read books, some kind of English stuff, and you didn't understand anything, you just need to do it louder. It will help with your accent, it will help with your pronunciation, and if you have some kind of problems with reading, even in your mother tongue, so for example you read but you can't even imagine what the hell are you reading, you just need to do it louder. Some kind of music, some kind of classic music can also help you, but read louder will help you so 100 times, 100%. The third tip is writing, so you can get a journal and to write down everything that happened with you, your thoughts, your opinions about everything. For example, if you have some kind of problem with sleeping, you can get a sleep journal and write down how many hours did you sleep, what kind of dreams did you have, was it nightmare? It can be helpful for you. Also, you can write down your opinions about everything. For example, you watch a TV show, you read a book, it will be so helpful for you, even if you did it in English. For example, you watched some kind of TV shows and you found out a new word, new phrase, new idiom, you can use it in your journal to write down your opinion about maybe a story, how was it, about what it was. It will be so helpful for you to understand better what have you done, for example, watched or read, and to use new phrases, to new words. First tip is record yourself. You can get a private Telegram channel and to do some kind of videos. For example, you're going somewhere and you can record yourself and telling how was your day, what did you do, how do you feel, and it will be helpful for you because you can watch it, you can listen to it, and you can understand your some kind of mistakes, maybe to deal with your pronunciation, to deal with your accent. It is a little bit confused for you, but it's not really the deal that you need to worry about. So the next tip is shadowing. It is some kind of method and it can help you to deal with your accent or to improve your pronunciation. So you need to find some kind of celebrity maybe that you look up to, or just find a lot of videos on YouTube about it. They did everything for you, you just need to repeat. So this method you need to repeat after your celebrity or person that you found, and try to do some kind of similar pronunciation, similar accent, similar emotionals, so the way they speak. The sixth tip is to get your phone in English. Maybe not just phone, but maybe computer, iPad, or whatever you use every day in English. Because every time that you unblock it, you will see English. You will deal with English. Because even if you do some kind of tips above, but you don't deal with problems in real life, because you get some kind of problems in your devices, or you need to update it. You will learn a lot of stuff in English by using it, by seeing it every day on your phone, so in real life. And as last tip, maybe it will be valuable for some kind of intermediate levels and above, but it's to find interesting stuff for you, maybe an interesting topic that you've never learned in your mother tongue, or maybe you know some kind of simple modern stuff, things, and to try to improve your skills or just to find out new in English. It can be whatever you want, science, fashion, etc. Because in English we can find more information than any other language, and some kind of this stuff you can find out a lot of new words that even not exist in some kind of other language. And it's so cool for me because it's really to learn new, to deal with it, and to learn new language, and it will be so working out your brain that you even can imagine. So I hope this video was useful and helpful for you. So if it is, please like it and subscribe, because it was my first video and I'm a little bit worried about it. But so keep going to learn English. Bye, catch you later.